Hi, welcome back to Martin Hacks. I am passionate about helping people like you solving complex problems using simple solutions. Today, we are going to talk about the Pareto board. The Pareto board is a concept that I have created to help teams that are struggling heavily. Teams that are maybe on a scale up or ramp up that are really having a lot of problems. I'm trying to visualize how can we bring focus to the problems we have and how can we speed up with the solutions. Today we are going to talk a little bit about how this concept works in practice and how your team can benefit from it. If you have heard about Pareto talks about the fact that 20% of the events usually cause 80% of the problems. There are a lot of things that relate to the Pareto board, and if you have more questions about it, please Google it. It's quite interesting and it will help you to start prioritizing better in your mind. How I have created the Pareto board is a way of creating a flow of problem solving for teams. Let's say your team is struggling a lot with many different types of problems, but there are a top 5 problems, a list of top 5 problems that will continuously and recurrently appear in your workflow. So what I suggest is that you list those top recurrent problems on like top 5 list here. It could be whatever, but please use data to ensure that these are the problems we have on a daily or recurrent basis. The second step is how we go from these recurrent problems to main root cause. So for each of the different problems, let's say we have problem A, we will try to identify what is sort of root cause 1, or most likely root cause for the problem A. Once we have this, the most common cause for the most common root cause for problem A, we will try to move, okay, but what is the best practice to solve it? When we have the typical best practice, and let's call B1, we try to apply the best practice to the root cause, to the core problem. We will do that with the top 5 of each of our problems, and we will come with what are the actions we can actually do on our daily life, on our calendar, on our week that can contribute to this best practice. Okay, let's say these are P1, proactive actions for number 1. If we do this flow on a recurrent basis on our teams, it's quite likely that our results will improve, that the outcome of our work will be better. This is something that a team could perhaps have a board on the workplace with these 5 different elements and update them continuously and gather the data from the problems and the data from the root cause, the data from the best practice, and start tweaking these exercises that become proactive action. I hope you have enjoyed this Pareto board and you start testing it with teams that are struggling. If you have any comments or questions, please write them below. I have put the template available for download in martinhacks.com. So please go ahead and download. Thank you very much and see you very soon.